Welcome back to our channel, where we upload high-quality product videos every day to help you make smarter buying decisions with confidence. In this video, we'll break down the top tablets that are perfect for showing listings, managing clients, and closing deals faster, so you can choose the one that fits your real estate workflow. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus Tablet. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus is packed with great features to make your work and play experience even more enjoyable. Enjoy lightning-fast Wi-Fi 6E speeds, a large 12.4-inch AMOLED screen with stunning resolution and vibrant colors. The tablet is equipped with an ultra-wide front-facing camera for capturing crystal-clear 4K video and stunning photos, the fastest S Pen, and advanced productivity features such as Samsung DeX and Microsoft 365 integration. According to our experience, Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus is a versatile device that allows you to work and play with ease. It features lightning-fast Wi-Fi 6E speeds, a large 12.4-inch AMOLED screen, the world's fastest S Pen stylus, an ultra-wide-angle front camera, and advanced productivity features. Galaxy Tab S8 Plus will become your favorite device for work, play, and travel. Number 2. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. Microsoft Surface Pro 9 is the perfect device for realtors who need to stay productive on the go. With the latest Intel Evo platform and 12th generation Intel Core processors, you can be sure that your work will be done efficiently. Not to mention the long battery life of up to 15.5 hours, which will keep you productive for longer. In addition, the 13-inch PixelSense touchscreen is compatible with Windows 11 and the Surface Slim Pen 2 stylus, making it quick and easy to take notes or draw diagrams. It also comes with Thunderbolt 4 ports that enable full desktop performance and local gaming. With Microsoft Surface Pro 9, realtors can stay connected and productive on the go. Therefore, our findings on the Microsoft Surface Pro 9 show that it's a great device for realtors who need to stay productive while on the go. Number 3. Apple iPad Pro for realtors. Apple iPad Pro is the perfect tablet that combines incredible performance and power with an intuitive design and amazing features. It has a lightning-fast 8-core processor and 10-core GPU on an M2 chip for stunning graphics, ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6E wireless connectivity, all-day battery life, up to 2 terabytes of storage, and a stunning liquid retina display with ProMotion, True Tone, wide P3 color gamut, and ultra-low reflectivity. It also has advanced features such as Stage Manager for multitasking, Apple Pencil 2nd generation for drawing and note-taking, and Face ID for secure authentication. With iPadOS running on iPad Pro, you can do everything you need to be productive. And don't forget about Qi wireless charging capability. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. The included S Pen makes it easier than ever to write notes and personalize photos and videos, all without needing to charge. The S Pen attaches magnetically right to your tablet, so you can quickly put it down and pick it back up without losing it. Slim metal design. Take this sleek, lightweight tablet anywhere. Its slim design slips right into your bag and comes in your choice of stylish colors. Entertainment ready. A vivid, crystal-clear display draws you into content, while dual speakers with sound by AKG supply spacious, Dolby Atmos surround sound. Long-lasting battery. A long-lasting battery lets you stream for up to 13 hours. Battery power consumption depends on usage patterns. Results may vary on a single charge. Number 5. Lenovo Tab P11 Plus for real estate. Lenovo Tab P11 Plus Android tablet is a great budget-friendly tool for busy realtors who are always on the go. Featuring a stunning 11-inch 2K 2000 by 1200 TDDI IPS display, Dolby Atmos with 4 speakers, and a Lenovo Precision Pen 2 with 4096 levels of pressure and tilt recognition, it offers a superior streaming experience. The MediaTek Helio G90T octa-core processor clocked at up to 2.05 GHz delivers low latency for gaming and web browsing, and multitasking ensures a seamless experience with 6 GB plus 128 GB of storage. It also has up to 15 hours of battery life on a single charge, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi wireless connectivity, and a detachable keyboard for ease of use. The Lenovo Tab P11 Plus is the perfect device to help you stay on top of your real estate game.